Hey y'all, it's Megan from Made for Mermaids, and today we're making a table runner. So my pieces are fairly large. I'm not gonna be able to get them all in the frame, but hopefully everything will still make sense. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below. I have 2 pieces of fabric. I use 2 different fabrics so that it can be reversible. You can do that too, or you can just use the same. So you're gonna cut your 2 rectangle pieces, and then we're gonna put them right sides together, matching all the raw edges. And with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, we're gonna sew all around it. And you're going to want to leave a 2 to 4 inch opening. So just a little part that's not sewn so we can flip it right sides out. So I'm gonna go stitch this together and be right back. Everything is sewn, and I pressed the seam allowance to the wrong side on that opening, like that. And then you're just going to clip the corners. Okay, everything's sewn, and on the opening, I went ahead and pressed the seam allowance to the wrong side. And then I'm just going to clip the corners, and I'm gonna press it right sides out, and then top stitch all around the edges to close the opening and to finish it. So I flipped it right side out, and I top stitched it on all sides. And that is it. Super, super quick and simple. So I flipped it right side out, and I top stitched along all the edges to close the opening and make it look nice. And that's it. I'll throw some pictures in here so you can see it on the table. But this was so quick and easy. If you make one, we would love to see in our Facebook group. We also have napkins for free on the blog if you want to make some napkins to match. And that's it. If you make it, please post on Facebook or tag us on Instagram at Made for Mermaids. We always love to see what you make. We'll see you next time. Bye.